In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off Basecamp email notifications. For anyone using Basecamp for project management, notifications can be both a blessing and a curse. They keep you in the loop, but can also overwhelm your inbox quickly. If you're finding yourself drowning in email notifications from Basecamp, don't worry. I'm here to guide you step by step on how to turn those notifications off and reclaim your inbox. First, let's start by logging into your Basecamp account. Once you're in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the Basecamp interface. Here, you'll find your profile picture, the gateway to personalizing your Basecamp experience, including managing your email notifications. By clicking on your profile picture, a list of options will unfold before you. Your task is to identify the option labeled Turn Notifications Off. Selecting this option is like signaling Basecamp to take a break from emailing you. It's a liberating move as it immediately halts all email notifications from Basecamp, allowing you to focus on your work without the ongoing distraction of email alerts. You will now have the luxury of checking on your projects at your own pace and on your own terms. It's crucial to understand that disabling email notifications doesn't mean you're out of the loop with your projects. Basecamp efficiently logs all notifications, which you can access anytime directly within the platform. This ensures you stay informed without the constant influx of emails. The entire process is designed to be straightforward, enabling you to enhance your workflow by minimizing interruptions. In the event that you start missing those email notifications, or if your work needs change, reversing the process is just as simple. Head back to your profile settings where you initially turned off notifications, and you can quickly enable them again. Basecamp provides the flexibility to adjust your notification preferences to match your working style best. And there you have it. You're now equipped to turn off Basecamp email notifications. Even this small adjustment can significantly impact managing your daily workflow by reducing email clutter. Remember, effective project management is not just about staying informed, but also about managing the flow of information and when you receive it. By taking charge of your Basecamp email notifications, you're ensuring that your inbox operates on your terms, not the other way around. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this tutorial introduces a bit more calm and organization into your daily routine. Finding the right balance is key, and it's all about discovering what works best for you.